Hello, in this session we're going to talk about merging data frames. Merging operations combines data frames by linking rows with one or more keys. This is done using merge method. Let's first have two data frames, x1 and x2, but before that, let's minimize this a bit, go to Spider and import Pandas as pd. Then x1 is equal pd.DataFrame. The first column will be key, which will be a list with the values b, again b, a, c, a, and b. The other column will be data1, which will be a range of 7, and x2 will be pd.DataFrame. The first column will be key with the values a, b, and d, and data2 will be a range of 3. Let's print the result. Print x1 equal new line, then x1, and print x2 equal new line and x2. Let's print some dashes. Copy and paste dashes, put them here, and let's execute them. And here is the result. For x1, we have indexes 0, 1, 2 up until 6. We have columns key and data1, and for x2, we have indexes 0, 1, and 2. The columns will be key and data2. This is an example of merging by using operation many-to-many. The data in x1 for the column key has many values of a and b. So here we have b's, then we have a's and c. Whereas the data frame x2 for the column key has unique values a, b, and d. After calling merge function, the result is x3 equal pd.merge. What do we want to merge? x1 with x2. How are they going to be merged? They are going to be merged with a common column, which in this case is column key. So let's print the result out. Put here x3 and here x3. We can see that for the p, it will merge this row with this row here. And the result will be this row here. b0, b0, and 1. So 1 is from data frame x2. Then we are merging this row here with this row here, because key here is b and here is b. So b1, 1, and another b is here. So we are merging b6 with b1, and the result is b6, 1. Then we are merging a's, a2, and 0, so a2 and 0. Then we are merging this row here with this row here. The result would be a4, 0, so a4, 0. Then we are merging this row here with this row here, and the result will be a5, 0. We can see here that we have a C, but we don't have a C in column key of the data frame x2. Also, we see here that we have column D. However, we do not have D for the column key of the data frame x1. In this case, the name of the column by which the merger is made is not specified. So, if not specified, the common column is taken as the joined column. It is good practice to specify the column to be joined. The same result as the previous example is obtained if merge method is called specifying the column to be merged. x4 equal pd.merge, x1, x2 on. How are we going to merge on which column? So we are going to merge it with the column key of the both data frames. And let's print the result. The result should be the same. So let's put it here x4 and here x4. Execute this. So it is the same result. B01, B01, B11, B11, B61, B61, A20, A20, A40, A40, and A50, A50. If the column names are different in each data frame, when the merge function is called, the merging column must be specified for each data frame using a left on and right on parameters. So let's have two data frames, so similar data frame as the previous ones. Let's first copy and paste these two. X5 will be equal to L key, so a left key, BBACAAB, data 1 will be the same, and X6 will be R key or right key with the values A, B, and D, and data 2 will be a range of 3. We would like to merge X5 and X6 with the columns L key on the X5 data frame and R key on the X6 data frame. X7 would be equal to pd.merge. We would like to merge X5 with X6 such that X5 will be the left data frame and X6 will be the right data frame. We would like to merge based on left on column L key of the data frame on the left, which in this case is X5. And on the right side is X6, right on equal R key. Then let's copy and paste these two. Put X5 here and here X5, here X6 and X6. Then let's copy and paste these two. Put X7 here and X7 here. Let's execute this. X5 is the left data frame with X6, which is the right data frame. We would like to merge this row here, because here is B, with this row here, because here is B. So B0 and B1. So B1. Then this B with this B here. In this case we have B1 and B1 again. And the last one for the B's will be B6 and B1. B6, B1. Then for the A's, we have this A here, so L key will contain A, and R key will contain this A here. A2, A0, A2, A0. Then another A, which is this row here, so we would like to merge A4 with A0, so A4, A0, and A5 with A0, A5 with A0. And the result will be this one here. By default, the merge performs inner join, or the merge result is key intersection. Other options are left, right, outer. Option outer takes the key union combining the effects of left and right join. Let's do it. We have here x8 equal pd.merge. x1 would like to merge it with x2. How equal outer. In this case, the elements which exist in one of the data frame will be combined with the elements which does not exist in the other data frame. Let's copy and paste these three. Put it here. x1, x2, and x8. x1, x2, and x8. Execute this. So we are merging this row here, because here it's B, with this row here, because here it's B. B0, B1 is this row here. Then another B is B1 with B1, so B1, 1. And the last B is B6 with B1, so B6, 1. Then we would like to merge A's, so A2 and A0, so A2, 0. Then A4 with A0, so A4 0, and the last one, A5 with A0, which is A5 0. Now we have C here, however, we don't have C here for the column key. So in this case, we put C3, which we get from here and here. For the X2, we have not a number. Also, we have here D, but D is not present in the column key. We have D for the key. For the data 1, we have not a number. And here we have 2. The same result is in this part here. That's it regarding merging data frames part 1. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.